first ones that I remember. First one is Wink. First one is Wink. Wink. You get 5 tickets, 5,000 honey, and field boost. I'm gonna go use the field boost, guys. Crap, why is high? Oh, wait. There we go. I'm just gonna fill up like one thing, guys, and then I'll come back for the codes. Almost done. Guys, sorry, my friend doesn't listen to anything. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Why does it take so long? Almost done. This take like another hour, so I'm just gonna do the next one. The next one is starch. Okay, starch. Game 30 gumdrops. Guys, the next one you have to be a part of the group to use this, so it's free to join the group, okay? It's called corn syrup. I think that's right. Yeah, 30 gumdrops done. The next one you have to be another part of the group. It's million members. Okay. I've already redeemed the code, but that code is actually, it only gives like 10 tickets and like a bunch of honey and stuff. Next one is crawlers. Which you've already seen, I've already redeemed this code. Next one is roof. Oh, and guys, just so you know, the first three codes that I redeemed were the new ones, the new codes that came out today. The next code is Buzz, which I've already redeemed this code. Next one is Meow. And then that's the last one. Oh, wait. Is this code already expired? Let's try Cackles. Yeah, this code was already expired. So that was like 7 codes. Bye, guys. See you later.